Oh, poor Broncos. Not in the Super Bowl, but that doesn't matter because this weekend we're going to actually show you how to make a field like the Broncos Stadium.
Yes.
And you know, coming up, the big weekend, we have decided to bring in one of our favorite girls, our DIY expert, Vida Urbonas. She's joining us for a good time. And you're going to teach us not only how to make some delicious food, but we got to start with this, the party spread, too, and this wonderful tablecloth that you made.
Well, it's so, you know, what I've learned over time is that it can get expensive really quick. So you want to save money where you can. Go to the dollar store, get one of these green tablecloths, spend another $1, and do this, and you can make your own football field tablecloth. So that's one area.
So this is what, like 99 cents?
Yeah, it's like $1 each. So it was $2. So you can dress your table for $2. And they also had these cute little, you know, like little bowls.
At the dollar
like
store?
Yeah, they have all kinds of stuff.
Oh my gosh,
you
that's
just put a little tape and you just put it out. You put out your food right on top of it, and there you have your little football field. So that's one easy tip. And then I decided to scour, you know, Pinterest and find all the top recipes. These meatballs I'm going to show you in a little bit. Only 3 ingredients, and it was pinned more than 100,000 times.
I know. Listen, she had me taste test those meatballs, and I cannot figure out what the secret ingredient is. So I can't wait until you tell me here in a few minutes.
You're going to be so surprised. And we're going to tell you that later. And then the stadium. This Super Bowl.
This is absolutely amazing. Look at this. And she did this all at home. Okay, walk me through how you did this.
We have some video to show you. And you start out, you just go buy these tins, about 2 sizes. I taped the first one on so it sticks in there. And they come in packs of 2, filled all. You can put veggies, you can put chips, you can make it healthy, you can make it not healthy. And you put that all around. So see that second one? It goes in and out. This is where you're going to put your bean dip first. So I made my layer dip. Yeah, I sectioned off that, and in a can I got some spinach dip. Then I put the salsa, the sour cream, then the guacamole, and you can buy all of these pre-made, so it's not hard. Those little pepperonis on the end.
Cheese.
Some cheese.
More cheese, please.
Cheese.
And the olives are your people, right?
The olives and the pepperoni became my people. And then now they have the sour cream that you can just kind of pull out like that, and it's in that little squeeze bottle.
Oh my!
So everything's really easy. And then I filled in more pepperoni and olives around.
Some garnishes just around the side.
And we'll
How
pull that
cute
up.
is that, you guys?
And then you want to try it?
Oh, I absolutely. What would go good with this dip? What would do?
Well, all of this.
Yeah.
So I would do chips.
Okay, let me take
I like chips, but if you like vegetables, so that's just that spinach dip.
I'm kind of nervous to dig into this because it's so beautiful.
I love guac. We're going to have to eat it. So
my gosh.
Go down because it's guac on the top, and you got all your layers. And then you can put whatever you want.
Oh my God. Adam, come here.
Adam, come over.
You have to try this, Adam. Oh my gosh.
In the commercial, everybody's
Okay, he'll go back to the camera. They're yelling at me, but here.
All right.
You have to try it. There's 2 dips. There's 2 chips.
Got it.
Okay.
So, and then again, if you're on the
Excellent.
If you're on the healthier side, you know, you get your veggies and dip it in your spinach dip, which spinach dip is kind of healthy.
You got this off of Pinterest.
I saw it off of Pinterest and then I modified it.
So have you ever actually done a recipe from Pinterest that flopped? It didn't turn out great like this?
So many.
Really?
Yeah. So what the thing about with Pinterest, and that's why I like to go through it, because sometimes it takes several tries. I can't remember of one specific, but I just remember, oh wait, the cake pop recipe was tough the first time I tried it. That clear raindrop cake, that took me a week to figure out.
My
so
gosh.
sometimes Pinterest can
trial and error.
Yeah. So that's why I try to go through, kind of sort through it, and then I put on my website, you know, this, like you said, you can make it so easy. And then I test out the recipes, and then I have my kids check them out, because if the kids like them, then it's good.
And what do you do when you're on Pinterest? Do you think, okay, is it the more time shared or liked, that's the one I'm going to make? How do you pick out what you want?
That's how I kind of narrowed these down. I saw what's the most popular, the Super Bowl stadium, so I kind of modified it. They didn't really have directions on how to make this, so I'm like, okay, I'm going to do a 7-layer dip. It might be 5 or 7. I'm not sure how many layers I put in there, but I got a lot of layers in there. And then I just kind of took it and modified it a little bit. Yeah, you always have to modify a little bit. And then this one I looked on the original site. It was pinned more than 100,000 times.
We're going to talk about those meatballs coming up here in just a minute. Where can we go to learn more about you?
Oh, cookcrackkids.com is my website, and on there I have a link to my YouTube channel, and you can just search YouTube, the parenting channel, and I've got this on there too. So if you don't have this here, you can go to you guys, Colorado and Company, or you can go to my YouTube channel.
And this is the must to have for the big game, all right, you guys? So Vida has a few, sorry, I got to go down here to read the prompter. Vida has a few more Pinterest recipes to try out. Here's a look at hundreds of recipes that we found in our search. So we're going to talk more with Vida Urbonas in a moment about some really great big game ideas. Stay with us. We'll be right back. DIY expert Vida Urbonas joins me once again. I can't wait anymore. I got to find out about these meatballs.
Okay, what was your guess?
Okay,
we talked
first
about it earlier.
I thought it was going to be barbecue sauce.
Correct. No.
And then I thought, okay, maybe we should put some honey in there or sweet and sour sauce. And all of those were wrong, right?
No, it's 3 ingredients. Home-style meatballs.
Yeah.
Then it's a 12-ounce jar of chili sauce, which I just found the Heinz brand. And then the third ingredient, here you go, I'm going to show you. So you put the meatballs in your crock pot. There's the chili sauce.
How much Heinz ketchup?
It wasn't ketchup, it's their chili sauce. I had to search for it. And then that's grape jelly.
What?
What
the sweet stuff was. You had me like totally confused.
Yes, so those, we're talking about those game day meatballs, and this is how it turns out. And this is so
delicious.
popular on Pinterest. And my son, like, seriously had 4 bowls of this yesterday. I had to make a new pot for you this morning because he went through probably 20 or 30.
They're really, really good on the go. You can eat. This is my lunch right here.
Yeah,
and I'm sure you'll have leftovers. You can heat them the next night too to save money.
You certainly can. Yeah.
Great jelly.
Yeah, and it's so easy. Again, the key word is easy and quick.
Yes.
So our second, we're going to show you how to make these football ice cream sandwiches, and we have a little video to show you on that as well. So you write on your little game plans on the little popsicle sticks. Again, we're talking about easy. Put it in your ice cream sandwich, and then you just use a little white icing. You can go get one of those cans at the store. I just made some buttercream, and then you can put your laces on. And there you have, and just put it on a plate, put it in the freezer, pull it out.
Easy?
Yeah, it's that easy. And again, the kids loved it. They're like, this is so cool, Mom.
These are really great ideas, and like you said, I think anybody can do them because it's so easy. Can you show me how? I know we're looking on video right now, the football ice cream sandwich, but you're going to show me, demonstrate.
And
You're
then again,
using.
they have those little cans, but yeah, just get a little quick piping tool, and this was, I kept it in the fridge. And
Is that frosting or ice cream in there?
It's just frosting and ice cream inside the sandwich. So I just went and bought those ice cream sandwiches.
Oh, how easy is that?
Mini
and you know what?
ones.
The kids could have fun with it too.
They can make them themselves. I want to give this to you but I'm a little worried because they're soft.
Are they
Just
soft?
going to grab them. Here.
Yeah, they're a little soft.
Okay. I'll feed
That's
it to you
okay.
this way.
Um,
I'll feed it to you in a bowl.
I know that you have a really easy website that people can access to get
Yes.
all of these great ideas. How cute is that?
Okay, so yeah, Cook Craft Kids. Cook Craft Kids. It's hard to say when you say it 3 times fast. But cookcraftkids.com, and right there, I put most of my stuff on my YouTube channel. So right in the top left corner, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I put this on there as well. And just all the fun things that kids love to do with parents, easy stuff, healthy, not healthy. So
if you go to YouTube and just search the parenting channel with Vida, V-I-D-A, it'll come up. She has a ton of videos.
Yes.
And again, some of those videos are recipes, but also easy how-tos with your kids.
Easy how-tos, yeah. We started out years ago with a lot of the rainbow loom, and then it's just kind of grown since then. A lot of cakes that on there that you can do, make for special, birthday treats. Like last week we made those trolls, the cupcakes.
So cute.
Yeah, I've made a Hatchimals cake.
It's not just food. It's actually, there's like a lot of great ideas.
Yeah.
Last weekend, she taught me how to make the troll hair hats with
Yes.
headbands, and that was because trolls were starting to stream on Netflix. So she's very creative. Please do check out her website. It's on YouTube, and just search the parenting channel. Her name, Vida, V-I-D-A, okay? And that's a very unique name. There's only going to be one Vida, so watch out. Now, is there things that we need to keep in mind when prepping for food?
I wash my hands probably 100 times because I'm just a little bit of a germaphobe. But yeah, I mean, a lot of this, like the stadium thing, you could prep in advance, cover it up, put it in the fridge. I always like to look and make things that, can last, especially like in this crock pot. Once it's hot, you can turn it down to warm and it can stay, healthy and safe all day. I don't like to leave
money saver
food out.
too. The next night, I mean, I eat leftovers. The next day, you can heat it up and good to go, right?
Yes, yeah, and again, like this is so easy. You literally, you put it on, I think you can put it on low for about 4 or 5 hours if you want to leave for the day, or if you want to come home and just stick those meatballs in, put those 2 other ingredients, and in 2 hours on high, and you can put it on rice too. It's really good with some rice underneath it.
As a mom, how do you make cooking fun for kids?
Just kind of making it where they enjoy, but my son, more importantly, stuff that's really, really good. Like we made those chicken kebabs a couple of days ago, the Spectrum
really
coconut oil, and my son was like, this is my favorite new kebab recipe, and he was just eating, and just things that kids can enjoy as far far as like, you know, like the kebabs.
Easy recipe. But you
Yeah.
know what's sad? My boys say my spaghetti makes their gums bleed.
Oh.
I say it's called al dente, people. It's al dente. All right, find crafting, cooking, and DIY ideas online at cookcraftkids.com. You can also follow Vida on YouTube. Again, just search the Parenting Channel, and please do check it out.